Now, let us talk about graph and symbol in solving inequalities in one variable. The symbol of here, right here, is a greater than symbol with the arrow pointing to the right hand side. Okay, and the open circle indicates that it is not equal to the numeral graphed. That is, for example, x greater than -3. Let us graph that. Okay, so don't mind the straight, the bent line. All right, so we have 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, let me be a little bit more accurate. All right, so 4 and so forth. Then this is -1, -2, and this is -3. So we use the open circle on -3 since x is not equal to -3. Then we draw an arrow to the right to indicate that x can be any number greater than -3. Okay, the greater than symbol has an open circle. It points to the right hand side. All right, so let us see the greater than or equal to. The greater than or equal to has a closed circle and at the same time pointing to the right hand side. That is the greater than or equal to symbol. At the same time, let us draw the graphical symbol of that with the given example of x greater than or equal to 2. So now with the drawn graph of x greater than or equal to 2, x is greater or equal to 2. So we have a closed circle on 2 since x is equal to 2. Then we draw an arrow to the right to indicate that it can be any number greater than 2. Okay,